In this video, I'll show you how to install and use 100% save file for offline story mode. Check my video description for this save file. Right click and select vendor and select open with vendor. Once you open this, press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to app data, double click on roaming, social club EMU, GTA 5, random numbers. This is where your game progress will be saved. Just go back, copy this GTA 5 and paste it in another location to pack up your game progress. Once you've done this, open the GTA 5 random number and drop these two save files inside this folder. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and go to stats and select 100% checklist. As you can see, the 100% save file successfully load, and now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.